Terminator. Week by week, build the T-800, the killing machine that defined a generation. Easy to build with high-quality metal components. You can control sound, lights, articulated limbs, and LED eyes. And explore the Terminator universe. Build the Terminator. Issue 1, just $1.99.
So hi guys and girls, welcome to episode 1 of the Terminator series. Obviously I keep up to my promises. Been a bit delayed, I do apologise. I've been quite busy working. Too much going on really, but I haven't forgotten. I'm ready to go and I can't wait to start this. Obviously we're starting with number 1, working all the way to number 4. I'm gonna show you each issue by issue in sets of 4. The video won't be too long, I'll keep it under 10 minutes just so it's a bit easier to digest, but looking forward to getting started. So sit back and I'm gonna start making it now. Let's do this. So starting from the top to the bottom, first of all we've got the chrome eye and also we've got the nasal socket here. Now these two actually we don't need to use this issue as it says in the book, so I'm going to put them aside for now and we will come back to them in a later issue. Following on from there, you've got the inner eye sockets here in matte black. Then we've got the eye socket brace. Then we have, if we go to here, we've got the chrome eye orbits. Just put those a bit closer. This is what the actual lights will go into, which are here. The red eye caps. They're quite small, so I'll bring them slightly closer to the camera. Then next to them we have the screws. So we've got 3 times PB2 times 4mm screws. And then lastly we've got the LED diodes for the eyes. So we have the wires for the eyes. So obviously they'll be lighting up when it's more complete. So let's get started. So part 1 is assembling the eyes, specifically the embedding the red eye caps into the chrome plated ocular orbits, which are these. So I'm just going to do that now. Obviously be very delicate because they are very fragile. It says to push them in using a gentle but firm push until it can't go any further. There you go, not falling out. It should look something like that. Okay, so for step 2, we actually need to bring back these and we need to put the LED diodes into the eye orbits. Now this part is very fragile, so you have to be very delicate because obviously they are very small parts. So what I'll do, you have to align it vertically and then push it in. It's very fiddly. That's it. So that one's in. That's number 1. You should hear like a clicking sound. And 2. So they're nice and firm. Okay, so step 3, we're now on to the inner eye sockets and attaching the brace for the eyes to that. So first of all it says we need to push the eyes into the eye socket and you have to align them with the corresponding gaps. So that's 1. Now it's going to be quite fiddly because I have to attach the eye socket brace to this to keep them secure without it falling out, so just bear with me. Very fiddly indeed. So you can see they're still very flimsy, and now you have to screw them in to secure it. So you take two of the little screws, the PB 2x4mm ones, and take your screwdriver and a small Phillips head. Now that is the first issue complete. It was a bit harder than I thought it'd be because it's very fiddly, but I'm just going to show you what it looks like with the head components, so the chrome eye and nasal sockets, so you kind of get an idea of how it might look like. So it won't actually go in properly at the moment. But if you imagine, if you can see that, and the eyes would be moving around, obviously not exactly like that, but once they've been fitted they will be able to. This is the next one. We're going to be doing part of the right arm, the upper jaw and also the teeth. So that's the end of video one, part one for the subscription. Hope you enjoyed it. It's something I'm really getting into, arts and crafts and building things. I used to be like it when I was a child, but I haven't done it for many years, kind of lost that hobby and that interest, but now I'm getting back into it. And yeah, so please remember to give a like, comment and subscribe. Check out the description below. I'm going to put in links for how you can subscribe and more information about what I'm doing and other people in the community, because I know there's many other fans doing this, forums and such, so people talking about it. And yeah, just keep subscribing, keep tuning in, and I will see you soon for.
I'll be back.